this is part 2. Sorry about that. It came to an abrupt ending. So, once you get the dust off, there may be stuff on here. So, can sweep a little bit of that out. And then make sure you clean the desk afterward, because that's going to be pretty messy. And then what you want to do, you want to take the brush, the stopper, the yellow one, put it back on. Oh, wait, that's a wrong position. Okay, so make sure it's on the right way. Yep, this is getting pretty confusing. Here we go. And then you can put it back like nothing happened. And then make sure it lines up. You can have these pull tabs lined up on here, and then push it back. Then you can take the thing that you removed earlier, slide it back in. Oh, there. And then make sure it clicks. Better place to do it is on the ground. Oh, it's not good. Okay. And now, desk cleanup. This is what's left. This is desk cleanup. That wasn't good. It's still fine. A little bit ripped, but that's okay. Okay, now the rest you can do it with a sweeper. Not a lot of dust left, but let's see what I can do. Blew it a few, and now it's good. That has been how to clean a Roomba. If you like it, like it. If you dislike it, like it. And if you want to comment, comment and like it. Bye.